Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life, and we are back shopping at Aldi. We are actually going to a location I have not been before. This is Aldi in Lake Elsinore here in Southern California. So let's go in and check it out. This is $5.88. I see is a Coca-Cola and so a Fanta. So the orange Fanta and this Coca-Cola. I have not tried this Coca-Cola. Is it just the cans that are different, or is it a different formula? Interesting. Now, I did cover a lot of the Easter chocolates last week. Here are some more I have not seen. $3.99. How cute are these? Too cute to eat, in my opinion. So you have a lamb, we see the little chick, and then there's a pig somewhere. I didn't find those. And definitely is a different store. Now, the one I go to, apparently a lot of the Aldi executives go to in Marietta. That's why that store looks so organized. And then this one has some good stuff. You just have to kind of go through it. A little treasure hunt. And that bamboo pendant light, $32.99. You have the Downy Calm. You have some activity eggs. These have been marked down for clearance already. For $7.99. Disney, I see Marvel, and I see Jurassic Park. Now there's some fun little things in those eggs. Those will keep kids busy. And the little griddles for $8.99. We saw those last week. The food storage set. Ooh, the Paz egg coloring kit for $1.89. And a lot of similarities. Okay, here's that knife set we saw last week. This one does have a price, $11.99. Resin knife set. I wonder how well these do cut. And most importantly, how long do they stay sharp? I like the green, the floral. They're really pretty. But you want to make sure that they're really functional. Now they do have, the Aldi gear. We showed some last week. The socks, they do have the socks. The socks are actually really cool. I like the little Aldi stripe. So they have them in white and in blue. I call this the Aldi blue. Right on top of the shelf. I'm kind of having to step up here. Those are $4.99. And then here are the joggers. Now, I only saw the gray. So that was a navy blue. Those are $10. And then the belt bag or fanny pack. Here is the navy blue. Last week we saw the light blue and a gray. I love the stripes. And then the bucket hat or a baseball cap. So this is actually really fun. These are only $3.99. What a great deal. I know, I'm making a mess. My shopping hat. I should have a shopping hat, right? $4.50 for the garden gloves. The other store sold out super quick. These are a really nice deal. $7.50. The ceramic planter and the stand. Now the store is a little crowded in the area, so I'm trying my best to give people room. Now this is a really cute mat. I like the little coffee on there. I have no idea what the price is. You can see everything's kind of thrown right there. And then here are some more Easter items. Now this is really fun. The Easter Bunny house. Put that together. There's a house now for every season. $8.99. But this is fun for the kids, especially if they want to do this over spring break. Naturally flavored. But honestly, like, my daughter doesn't want to eat it. She just wants to decorate. And the eggs, the cookie kit. Now this is fun. And then how much was that one? I think that's $5.99. And of course the Peeps. The Peeps are everywhere. Everywhere. $1.99. Last week we saw some of the coins. Here are just chocolate eggs. And then the M&Ms for $3.48. And the Hershey Kisses. Those are actually pretty good prices compared to other stores I've seen. And this is Trix, not cereal. Well, it's like the cereal, but it's not cereal. It's fruit flavor snacks. And that is the first time I'm seeing this. And then the waffle cones. These actually look fun. Little bite size. Those could be really good. I'm going to resist. Now for $5.99, the German roasted coffee, have medium or dark, is already grounded up. How fun is that? And then $2.99, the caramel stroop waffles. And that is cute, especially if you want to put together like a little basket. I'm already planning Mother's Day. My mom is coming to see me on Mother's Day. I haven't spent Mother's Day with her in years, so I'm super excited. Now here is the Simply Nature dark chocolate ginger cranberry coconut clusters. All of that sounds so good. I liked all of it. It's organic, non-GMO. And now if you're not the hugest fan of chocolate or you want with no chocolate, they have that too. The ginger cranberry coconut clusters. Now the Simply Nature is an Aldi exclusive brand. I got it mixed up with Simple Truth, which is another organic brand in a lot of other stores. Yeah, the font and they look very similar, so I did get those mixed up, so my apologies earlier. Now let's continue with these chocolate chip cookies, dairy-free and vegan. It's one of the things I love about Aldi. Aldi caters to all different diets. I mean, this one's gluten-free, which is really nice. So if you're gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, yeah. I mean, you could definitely find those foods here at Aldi. And here are some of the nutrition facts on those clusters. Those just sound so good. Now for $3.99, non-GMO, espresso dusted, and this is where it won me over, thinly dipped chocolate coated almonds. I am going to take this home. It sounds really good. I will keep you posted. I mean, wow. Now for $4.99, the omega-3 trail mix. That looks good too. These little snacks, these last couple snacks, all look so good. And now $1.69, you have the little dessert sauces, banana caramel or dark Belgian chocolate. That sounds yummy. And the hams are back. They kept hams, but now they've kind of brought more hams in, especially during the holiday season. $1.79. And then we have $3.99. Those are more for the spiral cut. And then $2.49. And then $2.30. So they have some really good prices on them. If you do a lot of baking, yeah, the yeast is on clearance for 79 cents. And then here are those dipping the wafers. So you get dark chocolate or white chocolate. And if you like the almond bark, now this is on clearance for $2.49. You have the chocolate or the white chocolate. And even like chocolate chips, $1.99. So they have, here it's a milk chocolate. These are not the semi-sweet, so it really depends on what you're going to use these for. Now the dark chocolate, I always like to have these on hand. Yum. And this is actually pretty good prices, $2.25. Little mini graham cracker crust. And look at that, yeah, there's 6 of them in there. You can make little, oh, coconut cream pie. That sounds so good. And speaking of coconut, here it is. This is on clearance too. I'm actually gonna grab this. Make some homemade coconut macaroons. At $1.99, yeah. Here it is. The semi-sweet chocolate chips, the Nestle Toll House. And yeah, they're all marking them down, $1.99. So this is perfect for baking. The mini, I like those for once in a great while. I make chocolate chip pancakes, so those are perfect for that. It's 79 cents for a cake mix. So if you're having any kind of family gatherings coming up soon or next couple of months, there are some really great baking items, especially if you love to bake. $4.89. This is non-GMO, the grapeseed oil. Oh, the label's coming off. I have never used grapeseed oil. Let us know in the comments below if you have. If you could tell any difference between the grapeseed and the virgin olive oil. I usually use the extra virgin olive oil, and I also use avocado oil. But this is a good sized bottle for that price. And $3.79 the spray. So you have the grapeseed oil spray and then the extra virgin olive oil spray. Yeah, medium heat. And then $1.99. Oh, I love brownies. Oh my goodness, I love brownies. Yeah, triple chunk. Yeah, $2.59 if you're looking for some vegetable oil. They have quite a bit. And then I kind of popped back in this little area. $6.99, not $9. I was thinking $9.99, but those $7. Those are really pretty. These are kitchen rugs. And so it does have a rubber backing, which is nice, so they don't slide around. I do like the lemons. That's so perfect for summer. And you have the flowers. Then you have, I mean, there's so many different ones. I just didn't want to bend over. I have like a huge bag on my back, so I didn't want to bend over too low to go through, but there's some good ones there. $3.35. There's some good clearance here. Definitely double check the Best Buy date or the expiration. Ham slices, now that is perfect for like breakfast sandwiches. $3.29. And this one has the doors, so normally the ones I go to have no doors, so this was really, I was like going into different stores, so if you can see how their setup is different. Ooh, the cheese. Oh, that looks really good. They're good prices. And then $2.85 for the little cheese snacks. And then the creamer. Now, I did use this creamer. It expires just in a few days. $1.99, but it was actually pretty good. I actually purchased this a couple of weeks ago, and so I've already used it, but it was actually pretty, I liked it. I hope to get some more. And 79 cents, this is the plant-based cheeses. So they had a French onion and a smoky cheddar, non-dairy. Now, of course, I checked the Best Buy. Oh, that was a couple of days ago. Well, everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along with me to this Aldi. Visiting a new Aldi is always so much fun. I hope your day is going great. Take care, and I will talk to you later.